got some water. I mean, this is awkward. I didn't really clean up. Welcome. Hi, hello. So all jokes aside, ooh, that was a bar stool. I'm alive. I don't know when the last time Sophie, stop it. I have the doggies. The last time I uploaded was a live stream. Aside from the James Charles one, I'm sorry, I just had to. I wanted to learn how to use OBS. So I thought that a good way to do that would be like to use a live stream. So it was kind of me learning software half the time and me actually being dramatic and being a part of the tea because it's me. I mean, I had to. Yeah, so, hello. This is disgusting. What is this? I'm here. It's been a minute. I kind of owe you an explanation. So I guess we should probably talk about where I've been, why I disappeared, and the fact that I'm alive and I haven't been uploading. It's been, I don't know, I feel like I'm Christopher Robin, like coming back to poo on an adventure. I feel like that sounds so dumb. I'm so dumb. Oh my god. But like, you know how he's like, I went on the most wonderful of adventures, and he explains it to him? That's what I feel like, except it was probably one of the worst adventures. I don't recommend it. 0 out of 10. Do not. Don't adult, honestly. Just don't adult. Anyway, I'm just going to kind of do like a summary of what's new. And then we're just going to get right into like a, I don't know if it's going to be a vlog or like a nighttime routine. Probably a mixture of both. So just kind of go through what I do at night. Because I have a big girl job now. So I'm at work all the time. So that's kind of one of the reasons. Hi, Sophia. But also, I've moved twice since I last uploaded. Moondance has moved once, if you saw that video. I turned 20. That was cool. I didn't really do anything. I went to a hibachi place. I think I literally vlogged the entire day, but that's another thing. I've filmed probably 5 or 6 videos, which isn't that much considering how long I've been gone. But I'm such a perfectionist about it. Like, who even knows if this video is going to get up? Because I edit it and then I'm like, I don't like that, or I don't like what that represents, or I'm not feeling the vibe on this one. Literally me. So we'll see if this one makes it. I really hope so, because I miss you guys and I want to talk to you and I want to hang out. So yeah, I think I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to change first and then I'm going to make some dinner and we're just going to hang out. Like I said, tonight I'm by myself tonight. Mason is at home. So yeah. Let's do this thing. So I was trying to be like all cinematic and get the shots, and I literally messed up the aluminum foil, so I had to put 2 pieces. So I think that's the end of me being cinematic for now. I think I should focus on what I'm doing before I burn the house down. Yeah. P.S. If you want me to do a how to make, or like, what's it called? Like a recipe thing where I make either the sweet potato chips, the broccoli, or the hamburger in like a separate video, just tell me, because I was gonna do like step by step how I make everything, because it's all like homemade, as homemade as it gets. But I think it'd be too long, and I think it's kind of off topic. So I can make another video. Just comment down below. And while you're at it, if you're watching this, why don't you comment, you should be filming right now. Because I'll see it, and I'll be sad that I'm not filming, and then I'll probably film and get more videos up. Because I need constant motivation. Yeehaw. I lost the olive oil. I was literally holding it in that shot. What? Oh, I put it in the wrong cupboard, cabinet, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, look at me being a wife, haha, wife me up. I'm literally the worst. If you don't like sarcastic jokes, self-deprecating humor, and me basically being the most awkward, annoying person on the planet, I don't know how long you're going to be able to handle this. I'm going to put in the right one this time. I feel like, I don't know. This is what it looks like. Ooh, you can't really see. Oh my goodness. I forgot to preheat the oven. This just keeps getting worse and worse. Oh wait, no, I just have to do it. How do I do that? I think I'm going to broil it. Definitely got salt everywhere. I know how to use an oven. Definitely wifey material. I'm kidding. Yeah, horrible. On to the broccoli. I keep trying to like focus and then I keep screwing up, so like I have to like tell you. I dropped broccoli on the floor. So I feel like I should never cook again, but I promise you I cook like almost every day. Like I'm always cooking. I literally made breakfast this morning. I don't know if like I'm nervous to cook in front of you. I know I'm not because I've done that before too. But this is stressful. I'm stressed right now. Gonna have to do some yoga after this. Oh my goodness. P.S. This is also the first time I've ever cooked broccoli. Forgot to mention that. So you probably shouldn't ask me to do a video on how to cook broccoli. Unless it turns out good, which we're gonna find out in like 20 minutes. So, not 20 minutes for you though. Ignore that. Like 20 minutes for me. It's not gonna be that long of a video. Gosh. This is what I mean by awkward. I just need to stop talking. Hey, Evie. Okay. This is like a tornado of issues. My mom told me we had ground beef, but we don't. So, we're not going to be making hamburgers, so we're just going to have broccoli and sweet potatoes. So, yeehaw. This is getting somewhere. Yeah. We're getting places, boys. Do you see that? It's like fine, but it's smoking. It's what? What? Like, okay, is it supposed to do that and I'm just dumb and I've never noticed? I have so many questions. Honestly, I forgot the sweet potatoes were in there, so I'm really glad that it started smoking. This is just something. I don't know if this is like comedic, like if this will make it. I don't know. I'll probably have Mason watch it, so tell me the final verdict. So if this is up, it's because it's Mason approved. I'm so dumb. Ooh, what's my phone doing? My phone just like, it's like someone called me, but they didn't. Ooh, I'm hot now. I need to like, it's like I do work out, but I don't. So if I do any little thing, I'm out of breath. But like I promise, I do things. P.S. I painted my nails yesterday. They're like pink, tan, sparkly, and navy. Probably shouldn't have put the navy one there. Mason and I figured that out. But what can you do? Yeah. So my nails are never painted, but they are right now. I mean, it still looks like it's What the heck? Retweet if you cried. Yeah, that, I don't even know, it's probably backwards, but literally, honestly, I'm crying in 5 languages. What, Evie? Hey, it made the smoke stop. Well, big yikes. Big yikes. I keep going to touch the camera, so if you see me doing that, ignore me. It's been a minute. I think I'm gonna clean up, and then I'll talk to you guys when dinner's ready. So, I need to stop doing that too. I did that in my last videos. I don't know. I will catch up with you, and we'll probably sit down and have a chat about where I've been, like, in greater detail. I don't know. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Update. Oof, it's a bad angle. So, these bad boys are done. You can already see where I ate some of them because they came out so yummy. They're a little burnt, but I like mine really crispy and thin. So, I'll show you, like, on the plate because I'm still waiting on this. But, I'm really excited about this. It makes me so happy. I make this all the time. Yep. Good times. Good times. Guess what? The food's done. So I'm going to show you a finished product and then we'll have our little chat. So this is what it looks like. The broccoli is smoking hot, just like you. Ooh, this has grease on it. I kind of usually let the oil run off of it and let it sit so that it dries, because it kind of requires a lot of oil. If you don't want to use as much oil, that's fine too. But yeah, super yummy. And I put salt on these and dip them in ketchup. Yeah, this came out good. I tried it, so I can do a video on this. Yeah, I'll talk more about like why I'm eating this, because this is kind of weird to eat, in a minute. So yeah. Okay, hi. So my food is cooling next to you, so I thought that I would chat while it cools. And all the puppies are behind me. Sophie's in my lap. There's Evie. Harley's behind her. So yeah. Hi, Sophia. Stop. It keeps stopping, like while I'm recording, and I'm really sad. Let's hope it stops doing that, but if it does and there's random cuts, that is why. So basically, I haven't been around. There's a lot of questions. I think that I've decided that I'm just gonna do like this video like cooking, and then I can do like a night routine if you want, because so many things went wrong when I was cooking. But yeah, I can do like a night routine. I can do like a face routine where I like wash my face. I can do whatever you want. Just comment down below, because there's a lot going on. I'm super busy, even though it's the summer, and Sophie's super needy. Why am I Sophie in every situation? Yeah, I'm back to eating vegan. I'm not gonna say I'm a vegan, because like every time I say that, then if I eat like one thing that's not, people freak out. The only reason I was gonna have hamburger is because next week is burger week in Louisville, and you know I'm going out like every single night for it. So I wanted to kind of prepare myself and like prepare my stomach to handle hamburgers every night. I'm not like, the only reason that I go vegan is because my body is like super picky about what I put in it, and I'm tired of being sick all the time just so that I can eat McDonald's. So it's kind of like a good decision. Yeah, the animals are really cool too. You know I'm a big animal person, so that's obviously a plus, but mentally and physically is mainly why I'm vegan. So I'm not gonna say I'm vegan, but I'm mainly plant-based now, if that makes sense. Yeah. I also decided, like, I don't know, I kind of like, I don't know, I'll do a different video about like what my views are and like eating and stuff, if you want me to do that, because it's a super interesting topic, and I've wanted to do like a video on what I think about like veganism versus paleo, because I've been like literally everything. Yeah, Evie's drinking water now. So many things are happening. What else? Oh my gosh, guys, so I've been watching Escape the Night, the Joey Graceffa one. Mason and I are hooked. We're on season 3, and it's only been like 5 days, which is that's kind of fast, because we only see each other like 2 days a week. So to be that far ahead means that that's literally all we've done, which is pretty true. That's literally all we've done. Whoa, if I like go too far back, I'm out of focus. I thought I heard somebody. So that's basically it. I'm obsessed with Escape the Night. Literally my goal in life is to be on that show. I will, I want to like do YouTube so bad. I'm so committed to it, but then like the problem isn't that I'm not doing enough for it. The problem is that I'm so committed that I won't post something if I don't think it's absolutely perfect, and that's a problem. I'm a big control freak. So I kind of need to just like let it go, and if something's not perfect, just post it, because like people aren't supposed to be perfect, things aren't supposed to be perfect, and I feel like I would post something and I'd be like, no, I sound weird in that, and I think that weird is good. That's kind of like the last year I had to like realize that I don't suck as a human being and rebuild my self-esteem while going through a ton of crap things. And I can also do a video all about self-esteem and kind of how I navigated through the last year of being 19 to 20, because I feel like that's a time when a lot of people struggle. I don't want to say I'm 20. I don't like being 20. Let's go back to when I was like 17. That's a good age. If you're 17, I'm so happy for you. Don't ever grow up. Yeah. Evie, what are you doing? She's putting her nose in the door. She's never done that. So this is pretty much an overview of what's been going on, plus a side of me trying to cook. I'm probably gonna eat now, but I just wanted to say hi, I miss you. If you have any advice for getting over like being a control freak and thinking that everything has to be perfect, let me know. I'm gonna try and post more vlog style to get me used to not having to post, like forcing my thing to post. I can't speak, I'm talking too fast. Forcing myself to post like things that aren't perfect, like just about my life, because obviously there's something always going on in my life. Literally just tried to cook for you, it was a disaster. So something's always happening. I lost my train of thought. But I just want to share with you guys, and I want to be on here more. I thought about starting a podcast, but I decided, like, all the topics that could be on a podcast, I could literally do on here and vice versa. So if I want to do a podcast, like, in the future, what do you think? Because I think that I would, but I just want to grow my YouTube a little bit more, talk to you guys, and make this more of, like, a commitment before I add more things into the pot, because I am known for putting too many things on my calendar and then like stretching myself too thin and ending up in therapy. So yeah, that's that. Life is good. Life was not good in my past videos, and I'm sorry that I'm honestly, like, I just said honestly twice. I don't even know why I posted those half the time. Like, I kind of want to start over my channel, but it's a part of who I am, and I've come so far that I'm not just gonna start a new channel. So this is when things get positive and things get better. This is that turntable. This is that moment. So from here on, my channel is going to be super happy because life is a lot better. I've learned a lot in the past year, and even when things suck, I've kind of learned to handle it better, and not just kind of go into a cocoon and cry for a month. So yeehaw to that. I'm going to, what's today? Today's Wednesday. So I'm going to go eat, take a shower. I'm gonna work on training Evie some more because we kind of got to keep up her training or she gets a little rusty and crazy. Maybe I'll curl my hair. No, I'll watch Escape the Night. So I'll probably call Mason and we'll watch that together. And then I go to bed at 9. So if you want to see like a legit night routine where I take you through it, wash my face, all that. By the way, this is from Pizza Hut and I'm not happy about it. I did go to 2 lunches over the past couple of days, and both of them were at pizza places, so sad times. That's another reason I'm eating healthy, because she needs it. I'm also like trying a whole bunch of new face stuff because I'm bored again. So yeah, I think that's like a quick rundown of what's going on. Sophie, she's making noises. If you want me to go in depth about any of that or have any ideas of videos you want me to do, comment down below. I am going to be watching my comments like crazy because I love talking to you guys, and you know that when you comment, I literally see every single one. I love talking to you, and yeah, comment and tell me that I need to be filming right now because I listen to stuff like that. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I've missed you so much, and welcome to the new era. That sounded so cheesy. I'm so cheesy. I really mean it. This year, I'm not leaving 2019 without a fight, or I'm not leaving 2019 being more successful than I was going into it without a fight. And even without a fight, I'm just not doing that. So, yeah. I love you guys. I'll catch you on the flip side. Oh, Evie! Evie loves you too.